Welcome to Tell Me Why, Mom, where every why turns into a wonderful journey of discovery. Because in today's fast-moving world, curiosity isn't just cute, it's powerful. The more questions kids ask, the more confident, creative, and ready they become for anything. So, let's prepare them for tomorrow's world, together, and in a fun-filled way.
Welcome to Tell Me Why, Mom. This is where curiosity turns into fun discoveries. Today's question is, why do we hiccup? Have you ever had hiccups while eating or laughing? Hic, hic. So annoying. But kind of funny too, right? Let's do a pretend hiccup together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hic. Now pause the video and do 3 hiccups with your silliest face. Go on, we'll wait. Pause now. Done? Okay, back to the story. A hiccup is a sudden jump of a muscle inside your chest. That muscle is called the diaphragm. Can you say it with me? Diaphragm. It helps you breathe in and breathe out. Sometimes the diaphragm gets irritated and jumps. When that happens, your throat quickly closes, making the sound hiccup. Let's play a quick game. I'll say something. You shout hiccup if it causes hiccups. Ready? Go! Eating too fast. Yes, hiccup, laughing a lot. Yep, hiccup, drinking soda. Totally, hiccup. Can we stop hiccups? Let's try a trick together. Take a deep breath. Hold it. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now breathe out slowly. Sometimes hiccups go away on their own. They're just your diaphragm doing a silly little dance. Isn't that funny? If you liked today's answer, give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tell Me Why, Mom. We post fun answers every single week. Tell us in the comments, what's the funniest place you ever got the hiccups? See you next time. Bye for now. Hic you later.
Thanks for watching and for helping make your child future ready. Together, we'll keep the learning curve fast and the journey enjoyable. So, drop us a comment, share this with other curious kids, and stay connected for more Getting Ready adventures. See you next time.